Hey friends, we are here to do a YouTube paycheck stuffing. I just majorly whacked the camera when I was trying to put my hands in, but we're good. It's a little bit more zoomed out now. You could see my Reese's cups, my hair ties, my post-it notes, all of my junk, but you guys know me if you've been here. So we are going to stuff this YouTube check. Thank you so much to each and every one of you for supporting my YouTube channel. Without you, this would not be possible. I am just so grateful for you. So I'm going to show you the money and we are going to get right down to it. This is going to be a super exciting video because we are going to get some ish done, baby. Okay, so the YouTube check was $186. Now I'm filming this on May 18th. I have not actually received the check yet, but I am able to see what the amount is. So once again, thank you so much. We're going to do just a few things with it. And if you're wondering, which you probably aren't, but maybe you are, why you didn't see a YouTube paycheck stuffing last month, I did not make the cut for a YouTube check. So it goes a month behind. So it's May now. This check is actually from March and April, because in March I didn't make the cutoff or the threshold, which is $100. And so whatever money I made in March, that rolled over to April. And then between March and April, I got $186. So that's why this check is a little bit higher. It's not typically this high, but it's higher because it's for 2 months rather than 1 month, just in case you're curious. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put $50 towards taxes, and we are going to finish funding our quarterly taxes for this quarter, which is excellent. I have all the money broken out here, obviously. It is all prop money because it is just all going to go into savings, except for the tax money. I technically could take this all out now and make the payment, and maybe I will, or maybe I'll just transfer it into savings and wait a little bit. I still have like just under a month until this needs to be paid. So I'll probably, honestly, just be lazy about it and you know, make the payment, I don't know, whenever. Actually, I do need another, I think, $5 in here. $5.85 plus 50. Yeah, it's $6.35. I do need $6.40, so I will need to put another $5 in here. But I will get that done. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 600, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $6.35, I need $6.40. So we are good with that. That is wonderful. Anything saved up additionally in here from now on is going to start going towards next quarter. Other than that $5. Honestly, I might just pull that $5 out of a buffer when I make the payment. Like I might take $6.35 out of savings instead of $6.40 and just use the $5 from the buffer because it's not really a big deal. Okay, so that's taxes. Less. I was trying to say next and less together and it came out less. Next, let's do something very exciting, you guys. Let's finish him. Let's see. We are going to put $30 here towards the 2025 binder. If you saw my last video, I just put $50 towards this, and I thought I needed 50 more, but it turns out I actually need only $30 to finish this, and I am so very excited about it. So this is from Wren over at Mischief Managed Budgets and Champagne from Champagne's Corner. It's a 2025 savings challenge binder, and we are on the last challenge in here, you guys. So very exciting. So as I said, let me just add this up just to triple, double, triple, quadruple check. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 3 is 6. 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus another 6. Lots of sixes there. $30 total. And we are going to knock it out, baby. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Love it. Now, here's a question. Do I put this with my finished challenges that I'm going to total up at the end of 2026, or do I not? Because I started this actually last July, so technically not all of this money saved is from 2026. But does it really matter? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts below. Should I count this in with the finished challenges of 2026 or not? Because there's no way, literally no way, for me to tell how much I saved of this in 2025 and how much I saved in 2026. So I would probably just put the full 2026 in there, or I could just split it and say 1,000. I don't know. It really doesn't matter, but you guys know I like to count up my totals, and this would obviously give it a big bump. So let me know your thoughts below. Okay, so we're gonna write, what's today? May 18th. So it took us less than a year to finish this. Very, very exciting. Very exciting. So let's count it up. 1,000, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 50, 18, 50, 19, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 2,000, 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $2,025. Yes. So very exciting. I actually have some real cash in here. There's a real 100. So I will need to go through my other binders and bill swap that. I'm not gonna like have you watch that. It looks like it's maybe like $102 in real cash. So I'll have to bill swap that at the end of this, and then I will condense this into like another $1,000 placeholder and a 20 and a 5, just so that it's like small. And then this is gonna go towards debt. So it's here. Here it is, and bye-bye, it's gone. I'm gonna make a nice debt payment with that, but I'm very happy about it. Okay, the remainder, we have 106 left, and that is gonna go towards Christmas because I'm really working on my Christmas savings, and we are doing Ho Ho Holiday. This is a savings challenge book available in my shop. Let me actually get this out of the way. Okay, we good. So this is available in my shop, and you can choose laminated or non-laminated. I'm doing the non-laminated version. So 106, let's put that on the calculator, and we're just gonna kind of go through and do what we can. Okay, so this first page, you fill in your lyrics. And what am I trying to say? You fill in your lyrics and then you save. Each word has an amount that you save. So let's just do this 15, I guess, because why not? Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeer pulling on the, is it reins or sleigh? I think it's reins. Or is it sleigh? Okay, we're gonna write reins. It could be sleigh. Let me know what you think. Is it pulling on the reins or pulling on the sleigh? If your ears just bled, I'm very sorry. Okay, so either way, that's $15. So we're gonna subtract that. And I know in my last video I did say there's probably not one Christmas song that I don't know every single word to. And there you go. I know it, sort of, but I'm not fully confident in that. Okay. Next here, search for Santa. This one, the amounts are very low. They're 1 through 6, but if you find a Santa, you can decide. And I went big. I said $20. So, yeah, it's a little bit higher. So let's do like this block. I don't know why. I just am feeling it. 5 plus 3 is 8. Plus 6 is 14. So we'll do another $14 in here. So minus 14, we're down to 77. If I can, I would love to get through this whole book. This Hot Cocoa Cash, I'm gonna skip. I told you guys, this is the only one in the book that's like open-ended. You could just like keep doing it as many times as you want. I told myself, and I didn't tell you guys, but I told myself I was gonna do this one time every time I did the book. But now I'm like going back on that because I want to get through every challenge if I can. And will $77 do it? I don't know, but we're sure gonna try. Okay, so an 8 here, and I think we're gonna stop there because these numbers are larger. They're 1 through 15 on this challenge. So we're gonna subtract 8. Okay, next we have So Elfing Rich. We have our elf shoes and elf hats, and I said the elf shoes were gonna be 2 and the elf hats were gonna be 5. So let's do 2 more elf hats for $10. And if we get all the elf hats done first, we'll only have 2s left, which will be good. It'll be easier to complete the rest of them. Okay, Merry Money, same kind of deal. We have our different denominations here, and then it tells you what each is worth. So let's do a $10 elf, I guess. And we have 49 left now, so that is good. Tinsel Treasure, this one's large. And there's skipper doubles on here, so yeah, we could be in trouble right now. Let's see, the amounts are 1 to 20. Okay, a 5. Should I go again? Because I feel like the answer should be no. We got our 5. We should not push our luck, right? Yeah, I think we're gonna stick with the 5, and we at least got 1 circle scratched, which is good. So minus 5, we're down to $44. Okay, let's see what's next. Let's get lit. So this one, you color in your lights, and depending on the color you use, that's how much you save. So let's do, what do we have left? Couple big ones. Let's do a 5 here, I guess. So we'll do a yellow for $5. And this one I like because you could customize your savings. You color depending on, like, if you want to save a little, you're doing mostly yellows and blues. If you want to save more, it's reds and greens. But once you've colored all of your lights, there's also these lights here that if you want to save more, you can cross these out as you save and then save the listed amounts. So I like this because it's like super customizable. So we did a 5, so we'll subtract $5. Okay, and then next we have Fa La La Loot. This is multipliers. So what you do is you roll a 6-sided die and you multiply. You scratch one of these and it's a multiplier. Let's just go, I guess, from the bottom because I don't know, I'm just feeling this one. Okay, a 3. So let me find a die. Okay. Let's see what we're gonna get here. 2. Okay, that's not bad. $6. I feel like, should I go again? The last page is larger. You know what? Actually, wait. Before I'm stopping mid-sentence. Do I have an IOU, you guys, from last time? Because I feel like I might. And actually, okay. No, I don't. Okay, well, then we're gonna go again, because why not? I thought I had an IOU for some reason. It just like sprang in my mind, but I don't. So let's go here. Ooh, times 4. If I get a 6, that's $24. But we still have enough. We're at 33 right now. So let's roll. Please get a low number. Please get a low number. 2. Okay, yes, $8. We love this. Okay, we're gonna stop there. This really could like get out of hand. Like if you want to save a ton, you could roll like a 10-sided die, 8-sided die, a 20-sided, 20 times 5, that'd be $100. So you can get kind of nuts with this one. Okay, and last but not least here, we have Reindeer Roundup. And basically you choose a little reindeer and then scratch the section next to him. So who do we want to go for? I think this guy, because just look at him. He's so cute. He's so happy. And let's see what he has to give us. We're down to $25. So let's see what we got here. Okay, it says, he's feeling jolly. What's your mood? Happy, sad, angry, hungry, or eh? I'm feeling happy. I'm not sad. I'm not angry. Not hungry right now. And I'm not, so I guess we'll go with happy. So happy is $10. which means we still have money left, which is always a good thing. We have $15 left. So we could do a couple things. We have a bonus. We could scratch a bonus, but I'm going to skip that. I'll probably wait till last for the bonuses just because I don't know. Just because. We could do sing-along savings because I do have a 15 and then we would not have an IOU. Or we could do a hot cocoa cash because we skipped it before, and then if there's any money left, go to a different challenge. What do you guys think? Should we do this and then a different challenge, or should we just do the 15 and definitely not have an IOU? What do you guys think? Tell me. I'm waiting for your answer. I think I'm going to chicken out and just do this because that way I definitely don't have an IOU, and so it is what it is. So we're just going to do this 15 right here. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop, but we're just doing tries. So minus 15, we have spent all of the money, but I feel like we really made it stretch. So I really feel good about like how much we were able to get done in that book. Okay, let's pull back the binder and let's see what we got going on here so far. I feel really good that I put like a large chunk in here. I think I might have a little more to put in here at the end of May for my next paycheck, I'm pretty sure. And with that, that might bump me up to like be on track finally, because I was so behind. My goal for Christmas is $2,000. It's almost half a year, so really I should be at like 1,000. And I think with that money, it might put me there or close. So I'm back on track, which feels really good. So 5, 6, 7, 50, 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 9, 20, 35, 45, 50, 950, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 957. Yes. So again, I think I'm putting, I want to say like a good $100 or maybe even more. That's going to get me exactly on track and caught up for the time of year. And we love that. Okay, that is it for this one, my friends. Once again, a humongous thank you to each and every one of you, because without your support, well, this just wouldn't be possible. I am so grateful that you watched till the end of the video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.